If a woman looks at your physical appearance and doesn't find you immediately attractive, then in almost all cases, it doesn't mean that it's game over for you. The reason why is that a woman's attraction for you can be easily created in a different way, right? It doesn't have to be about her looking at you and thinking, wow, I want to be with that guy because of his looks. She can find you attractive for other reasons, and as I'll explain later in the video, she then starts to look at your physical appearance in a positive light. She starts to look at you as being good looking, even though when she first saw you, she didn't think you were good looking. So the first way I'm going to prove it to you in this video is to show you these beautiful women and to ask you, when you look at these beautiful women, what do you imagine their boyfriend to look like, right? Because if the woman is pretty, then she's going to want a tall, very handsome guy who looks like a male model, right? That's what she's going to want. Yet the reality is that many beautiful women, not all, do actually go for normal, everyday guys, or even guys that some may think shouldn't be with that type of woman. They think, hang on, that guy's short. What's she doing with him? That doesn't make sense. Shouldn't she be with a tall guy? How about this guy? Why is she with him? Why can't I get a girl like that? What's going on? The thing is, many beautiful women out there do end up with a guy who they don't necessarily look at the first time and say, yes, I want that guy. But because he was able to attract her when he was interacting with her, she actually found him attractive for other reasons, and then she fell in love with him. Now, of course, with dating apps, for example, you are judged on your photos, right? The woman is looking at you and she's deciding whether or not you're physically attractive. But what a lot of guys don't consider and take into account is the fact that the woman is not only looking at your physical appearance, but she's looking at the potential unattractive signals and attractive signals that you are displaying in the photo. So I'll demonstrate now with some different quote-unquote photos of me. They're just screen caps from the video, and hopefully you'll be able to see that when I'm displaying unattractive signals, it does make me look worse than I already look. I don't look like a male model or anything like that, but because I'm displaying unattractive signals on the left there, it doesn't make me look as good as I do on the right. And of course, I'm not saying that I look great or anything like that, but hopefully you'll be able to see that I look better in the poses on the right compared to the left, because I'm displaying attractive signals on the right. So what happens with photos on a dating app, for example, is that a woman looks at a guy and assesses what he would potentially be like in person, around others, on a date with her, during sex, in a relationship, and so on, simply based on the potential signals that he is displaying. Now, another way to prove to you that a woman's attraction for you can be created for reasons other than your looks is to think about the sort of personality traits that guys display and that women find attractive. And then to think about the fact that we don't really care about those traits in women, right? So, for example, a guy doesn't necessarily care whether a beautiful woman is confident or shy. Right? He doesn't necessarily care. And in some cases, the guy prefers when a beautiful woman is shy because he then feels more confident and manly around her. So it's important to understand that when you hear that women find confident men attractive, you shouldn't try to understand that from your way of feeling attraction. Right? So if you try to understand it from your way of feeling attraction, deep down you might feel like, I don't really care if the woman is confident or not. What does it matter? Who cares? She's hot. I want her. Or she seems pretty and sweet. I like those sort of girls. So if you then start to think about the importance of confidence and you base it on the way that you feel attracted, you might think that it's not true, right? Because you don't really base your attraction on women on their confidence level, right? So why would women do that? Well, you have to understand that men and women are different. They need different things. For example, with confidence, if a guy is confident, it can make her assume that he would feel confident around other people and therefore wouldn't get picked on like an insecure guy or overlooked for promotions or wouldn't be as shy as other guys in the bedroom. Additionally, he may also be able to get along with her family and friends better than a guy who is insecure or shy. and he would be less likely to become insecure in a relationship and turn her off as a result. Now, the thing is, guys who specifically want confident, beautiful women will care about those things. They'll think, well, this girl is a bit shy. She doesn't really know how to handle herself around other people. She's going to get picked on. She's not going to be much of a benefit to me in a relationship. I'll have to carry a lot of the weight of being the confident one, being the strong one, and so forth. For a guy like that, confidence in a woman is valuable and important to him. But for pretty much every other guy, if he meets a woman and she is physically attractive and a bit shy, he doesn't care about that. He's not going to reject her because she's a bit shy. As I mentioned, it might actually turn him on that she is a bit shy because he gets to feel more confident and manly around her. Yet the thing is, women don't want to feel confident and manly around us, right? They don't want to feel like the man in the situation or the bigger, stronger one, right? Unless they're an exception or they're an unattractive woman who wants a weak guy that she can control and so forth. If we're talking about the absolute majority of pretty women out there, they want a guy who is confident so they can feel safe with him, because a woman feels differently as she goes through the world compared to us. For the most part, we walk through the world without any fear. But if a woman is walking alone somewhere at night, she fears for her safety, right? She fears that she might get attacked, she might get killed, she might get mugged, whatever it may be. But a guy walking along the street who is confident and masculine thinks, if someone comes up to me, then they've got a problem. They just stuffed up, they picked the wrong guy, right? And he's walking through the world thinking, no one's going to mess with me, right? He's not afraid like that. But women feel a different way as they go through the world. They don't feel as safe as us. They don't feel masculine like we do, right? They don't have the testosterone levels that we do that cause us to feel as brave and strong and courageous as we do. So it's important to a woman to be with a guy who is confident and can therefore make her feel safe, right? He can handle himself in social situations. He doesn't walk around like a fearful, wimpy type of guy. He's a confident type of guy, and therefore, for the most part, people aren't going to mess with them, right? They're just not going to pick on that type of guy because you can sense that he's confident and he can handle himself. Now, I'll just point out that it doesn't mean that a guy has to be a fighter or anything like that or be a tough guy. Instead, it's just a sense that you get about people. And you may have gotten it from a guy who doesn't have a lot of physical strength about him. You might get it from a very overweight guy or a very skinny guy. He just has that confidence about him where people don't mess with him. They see him as a confident guy. They see him as a guy who can handle himself, and they just don't pick on him. Now, that's just one aspect of it, of course. Confidence is also very important in a relationship, because when a woman is in a relationship with a guy, she isn't always going to be consistent with her expressions of feelings towards him, right? Sometimes she's going to be in a bit of a mood. As a woman progresses towards her period, her hormones begin to change. They change her behavior, and when she's then on her period, it changes it even more. And then when she gets back off it, she starts feeling better, and so forth. She's always on a bit of a roller coaster emotionally. And when in a relationship with a woman, you need to have confidence in yourself to not become insecure, to not start to feel needy or annoyed by the fact that your woman isn't behaving like you do, right? You're consistent all the time with your emotions because you're a man, right? You're not going through a hormonal cycle like a woman. So there are all these deeper reasons that women feel instinctively. They don't necessarily stand there talking to a guy and think, oh, he's confident, so therefore, when I'm on my period, he probably won't become insecure and emotionally sensitive. Yeah, I want to be with this guy, right? She's not necessarily thinking that. Instead, she's just feeling attracted to the fact that the guy is confident. When that happens, the woman then starts to look at the guy's physical appearance, and his physical appearance starts to look better to her. This is something that they don't teach at university, they don't talk about on TV and so forth. It's just something that you have to know from experience and thinking about it and putting the pieces together. But if you want a bit of proof, I was talking to two women and they confirmed what I was saying in an interview. Here's a clip from the interview.
If a beautiful woman or a pretty woman meets a guy and he's confident and he's got some charisma and charm, she will then think, well, there's something about this guy. I like him. You know, he's cute. He's sexy. You know, there's something about him, and she'll feel attracted to him. And as a result, she'll look at his physical appearance in a more positive light.
a man's face, like, yes, in the first 5 seconds, that is what I'm going to look at. I'm going to assess
sure.
that
What
guy
else are you
based
gonna
on
look
what I
at?
see. Of course, because that's all I know about that person.
Yeah.
Well, a little bit about body language, maybe at first, but like as soon as he comes and talks to me, his face can shift, and either
That's right.
he can become more unattractive or he
Oh,
can become
wow.
super attractive to me.
What you
'Cause
just
I've
said
had
is
this-
so powerful.
Yeah. No, but it's very in line with what you're saying. Like literally, I've even taken note of this happening so actually my friend Suzanne has this friend, Mark, and Mark, I don't even know how else to describe him to you other than he looks semi-alienish, very nerdy, and he looks like somebody who should be like playing with a science kid 24 hours a day. Like that, like he just he's not a very attractive person. But after 5 minutes of talking to him, I found myself trying to get his attention and trying to get him to like me more and trying to show that I was intelligent and witty and funny. And like his face literally morphed in front of me to where I saw that his eyes were blue and they were like really nice and sparkly. And that like he didn't have any hair, but like I liked the way that his glasses rested behind his ear. Like it literally was morphing in front of me and it was absolutely crazy. And that happens to most other women.
So essentially, when you interact with a woman and display confidence, for example, she feels attracted to that and then begins looking at you and your physical appearance in a more positive light. The same can also happen with a photo if a woman sees that you look confident. Due to the attraction she feels to your display of confidence, it causes her to look at you in a more accepting way because she is feeling more drawn to you compared to if you were insecure. Now, of course, it's not just confidence though. Alright, a guy can be confident, but talk to a woman and not have much charisma about him, and she then sees him as boring and dull. A guy who has charisma is the sort of guy who makes people feel drawn to him, and he is likable. That will be much more beneficial to a woman in life and in a relationship compared to a guy who tends to repel people or be seen as dull or awkward due to not understanding how to be charismatic. So if a woman's interacting with two guys who have the same sort of looks physically, and one of them is just confident but he lacks charisma, and the other guy's confident with charisma, she's going to go towards the guy who has charisma because he's able to display at least two traits. He's most likely displaying more traits that are attractive, but he's able to display at least two traits that make her feel attracted to him, drawn to him, right? She's thinking, yeah, I like this guy. There's something about him. I really like him. She can also imagine that if they spent time together in a relationship, it would be much more enjoyable compared to the guy who is more boring, dull, awkward, or just neutral, right? A lot of guys are very neutral around women. They're not necessarily awkward. They just talk to the woman in a fairly neutral way, where it's more like they're just having a chat, exchanging some information back and forth. There's dialogue going back and forth, but it's not really making her feel a spark, right? She's not feeling like, wow, I'm feeling excited, I'm feeling drawn to him and so forth. Whereas a guy who understands how to be charismatic will make her feel drawn to him, right? She'll be looking at him as a very likable guy. Now, some guys feel like it's just too complicated, it's too difficult, but the reality is that it's very easy to make a woman feel attracted to you. All you have to do is to give off attractive signals when you're around a woman and she can't stop herself from feeling sexually attracted to you. It's sort of like when we see a woman's cleavage, we can't stop ourselves from feeling attracted. The woman shows that and the guy instantly feels attracted, but if she then doesn't have a very good looking face or body, his attraction isn't fully there. Yet if she has a good looking face and a good body and she's showing that and it looks good, then she's showing a lot of things that guys are looking for, and guys are going to feel very attracted to that. So it's the same when you're interacting with a woman and displaying personality traits and behaviors that are naturally attractive to women. If you can only display confidence, but then you're a bit socially awkward or you don't know how to handle yourself during a conversation with a woman, then she might think, okay, you're confident, but she's not going to feel much attraction for you. Yet, if you're interacting with her and you're confident, you're able to handle the conversation with social intelligence and add in a bit of charisma, add in a bit of humor that makes women feel attracted, then she's going to be feeling a lot of attraction for you. She's going to be drawn to you. She's going to be thinking, well, this guy makes me feel really good. I want to be with him. Now, before I give you the final point in this video to help you, I just want to point out that if you want to learn my best ever examples and advice on how to display the 8 personality traits that naturally attract women, I recommend that you read my ebook, The Flow, or listen to the audiobook version. The flow is the easiest way to get laid or get a girlfriend, and all you have to do is go through the simple flow process when you're interacting with a woman, and things naturally flow from one step to the next. You literally go from hello to sex with a woman like it's the easiest, most natural thing in the world. So the final point that I want to make for you in this video is that from now on, you can go through life assuming that you have no control over the situation, right? If a woman doesn't find you physically attractive when she first sees you in person, then you have no chance, right? Just keep believing that you can't get the sort of women that you want, because when they look at you, they don't rush over to talk to you, they don't seem to want you, and so forth. Alternatively, you can take control of the situation. You can understand how to display traits that make women feel attracted and drawn to you, and then display those traits, see that women find you attractive, hook up with women, enjoy your choice with women, or choose the right girl for you to settle down with.